In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Perplexity account. We'll go step by step so you know exactly what to expect and how to complete the process with confidence. To start, open your preferred web browser and go to https://www.perplexity. Once the site loads, sign into your account. Take a moment to make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you use multiple profiles or sign-in methods. Deleting the wrong account is not something you can easily undo, so it's worth double-checking before you proceed. After you're signed in, look for your profile icon. Depending on the layout you're seeing, it may appear in the bottom left corner or in the top right corner of the page. Click that profile icon to open your account menu, then select My Account. This will take you into your account or settings area, where you can manage personal details and preferences. Inside Account or Settings, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. You're looking for an option labeled Delete Account. In some versions of the interface, you might see a link that says Learn More instead. If that's what appears, click Learn More to view the details and proceed to the deletion option. It's a good idea to pause here and consider the impact of this choice. Deleting your account will remove your access and schedule your data for permanent deletion, so make sure you've saved anything you might need later. When you're ready, click the option to delete your account. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to confirm deletion. Read the message carefully as it explains what will happen next. When you're sure, click Confirm Deletion in the pop-up. This is the final confirmation, so only continue if you truly want to close the account. After you confirm, your account is scheduled for deletion. It will be disabled immediately, which means you'll be signed out and won't be able to use the account. According to the process, all of your data will be permanently deleted after 30 days. That window exists to ensure the deletion is complete across systems, and once that period ends, the data removal is final. That's all there is to it. Go to the Perplexity website, sign in, open My Account from your profile icon, scroll to the bottom, choose Delete Account or Learn More, confirm in the pop-up, and your account will be disabled right away with permanent deletion after 30 days. Thanks for watching, and take care.